morning, guys. Welcome to another weekly vlog or vlog over the span of a couple of days. We'll see how it goes at the end of the vlog. We'll see how much days I actually get to vlog. Today is Monday the 30th. It's like 11:35. Today I have two group meetings and then I have class 5 to 8. So the first group meeting is after 12. That is for a project that is due Wednesday. Then the other one starting at 3:30, and that's for a project that's due, a presentation actually, that's due May the 19th, but we have to start working on it now. And then I have class 5 to 8. That's how today going. When I come back, don't know if I'll do some work, study, but most likely I have to study obviously every day. And then I have to finish cleaning up my room because I started doing that today. So yeah, that's how today runs. Good evening, peeps. So it's 6:30. I just come home from class after she finished. No, it's like 7 at the moment. Then showing my outfit. So it's like outie. This is one of my favorite jerseys because I love owls. I have a thing with graphic owls and some leggings. Good morning, guys. Today, 2 of my vlogs. Today is Tuesday, the 2nd of May, and it's 6:30. Feels good to get up early this morning. Haven't been able to get up early for a while because I was always wake like super late in the night to do work, and then last night I actually got to sleep a little bit early. Did some work before I went to sleep, and I'm feeling good this morning. Get up and I'm actually gonna start work now. Literally, I just get not gonna get up and I'm gonna start my work now. So hello guys, so it is evening right now, 5:45. So change of plans for the day was that I was supposed to stay home and do work. I actually went out because mommy wanted to go by my aunt, so we went and spent the whole day there. So I got the camera home, so I didn't get to show it. They actually have a nice view where they live, and it's like a I did do some work, but I didn't do as much as I was supposed to, and I didn't get to do everything because they did not have internet. So yeah, but let me show you all what I wore today. So yeah, looking like a hot mess right now, but ignore us. So we have this like plaid pink top. I've had this for years literally, and as usual, what I always wear really is some black ties. Good morning, guys. So welcome to welcome to day 3. Today is Wednesday the 2nd of May. It is like 12:15 at the moment. 12:15. I have a meeting for 2 to 4, and then 5 o'clock is class, so that's 5 to 8 class. And what else? On the way to school I just have to drop out something somewhere, and that's about it. So that's what we have going on for today. So let's go. Hello guys, welcome to day 4 of the vlog. It is Thursday the 3rd of May, and it's like 10:20 right now. I have a class for 11 to 2, and I literally reaching school. I just reached school and then park up. So again, so annoying about the parking system, but I get a park, so I'm happy about that. I'm gonna do some work since I reached early to school. When I finish, like this evening, I have to finish something, a group thing that is a group paper that's due. Well, my draft is due for Friday. I put deadlines for my group so that we could get the work done before time and have to get enough time to look at it. So that, and then I might have to study a little bit, and then I want to start a next assignment that is due quite like later on in May, but I want to start it now. So that's about it. So this day is actually pretty chill. Good morning, guys. Welcome to day 5 of the vlog. So I'm not kidding when I say it's literally really morning. It's like 4:51. Not kidding, guys. 4:51. It's really 4:51. Had an early morning drive this morning, and I feel like I kind of want to go back to sleep, but I'm not so sure. I have some work to do, and today I have training, which is like for 8:30, 9, and that's about it. So we'll see. Should come along with me today. So we definitely did not sleep. I took a bath already for the morning and decided to do some work. Now I'm gonna have breakfast. I think it's like after 6 or so now. So it's good. Like usually I used to always study like early in the morning, and then, well, I'm naturally a lazy person, aren't we all? And the thing is, for me, like I've been like for a while now, I just study like during the day and more like in the evening, in the night kind of thing. And it does work for me, yes, but the best time for me to study, honestly, it sticks with me best like early in the morning, like real good. It stick like perfect early in the morning, but I just get so lazy that I don't do it early in the morning again, which is horrible because I had to start to work. Okay, so we have our outfit of the day, and it's basically a white jersey for training and some jeggings. This has to like lap over, but good morning, guys. Welcome to day 6 of the vlog. It is Saturday, the 5th of May, and it's like 25 to 8 right now. So usually the plan is that I would have class 8:11 this morning, and then I would like have a little group meeting after. There was a little cancellation of the meeting, so and today there's presentation in class, and I do want to go, yes, but I have like a lot of work to do, so I figured I'll just miss this class to do some work. I really have like real plenty work to do, and yeah, so I'll stay home, do more work, and yeah, that's about it. Today is just like heavy work to do, and yeah. Okay, so since today I decided that I'm going to do a lot more schoolwork, I still haven't gotten to plan because I was like, yeah, just didn't get the time. So wanted to give you guys an overview of my monthly layout, and it's really simple. So this is like me, and obviously we starting from the 7th. We not starting from last week, and I have some goals here. I have like notes at the bottom here. This one is really simple, not any mood for color this month. I have training every like a couple of days for this month, so I have to pay for that. An expense tracker as always. Since this month is the finals, I decided to have a study tracker where I would have like hours and then like days here, and then I would just like color it into like how much hours. Random little quotes, and I have a graduation hat here. That was horrible, so I'm not even going to show you. And this layout for the week has been my obsession for a while. What I like to do, besides having like all of the things that I need to do in my planner, I'll have like a daily list, and every couple of days, or not really every week, but every 3 to 4 days, I'll have like a whole, I usually use a normal file paper and put all of my courses and things outside of my courses, like anything else that I need to do home, and put like everything down, because I always need to update the list to get new things done. When you're really feeling for some coffee and too lazy to go on the road, you just like homemade iced coffee and put it in a cup, an iced cup. Good morning, guys, and welcome to day 7 of my vlog. Today is Sunday the 6th. It's like 20 past 9. I've trained the whole day today. The rain like real fun. Like honestly, if you see that weather outside, it's like horrible. But still, we gotta do what we gotta do. Oh gosh, I hope you can hear me. Rain real falling. When I come back this evening, I just have school to do. Oh, you know earlier, one of my new favorite obsessions, like my favorite songs, is Martin Garrix, So Far Away. Like honestly though, like oh, that's a real good song. That's a real good song. School as usual when I come back home. Yeah, and I think that I'm gonna end the vlog here, so I'll try to get it up by tomorrow, like morning, first half day kind of thing ish. So yeah, I've did another vlog, and what else? But you know, last night I literally went to sleep like 1:30, which is like this morning, cause I don't even know, I just couldn't sleep. But yes, bye guys, see you in another vlog. If I decide to do one this week, I don't know, let me know in the comments below if you want to see a vlog like this week, or if you want to see like just like a cluster of days and not like a whole week kind of thing. Just let me know, don't worry. I got you. Okay. Cookie, where in? Cookie love.